This is my baby. What he does is the drywall. He doesn't do the plaster with
But he does very well. He even did your bathroom. Your bathroom had brick.
Oh,
He
yeah,
smoothed it
you're
out,
right.
and he put Venetian plaster on it. He did your kitchen.
And, yeah, the kitchen.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, and what about the edges, guys?
The corners? The corners?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just got to go all the way to the corner, nice and slowly. And
Well, no, we're going to do it. We're going to... It looks like a lot of, I don't know. Gian, you know, what's the better? The summer or the winter time?
For what?
To work, let's say
Oh, both. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what
We
dries
live in
quicker?
Florida, so it's not a problem any time of the
Yeah,
year.
our headquarters is in Miami, Florida. And then we have a business here in Queens, Long Island City.
Right.
We opened up another one down here.
Good.
We train people there.
You train people, but how often you come to New York?
Me personally, I come once a month to train seminars.
Okay.
Always once a month.
Okay.
We have a date in the internet, in our website, VenetianPlasters.com, and you look at the dates, and we can even do private seminars.
Okay.
That I'll just fly in just for that person, particular person. It's not a problem.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice how
And
you guys do it. It looks so gorgeous, guys. I mean, with New York City, I guess that we need a lot of, like, really bad, because it's like when you pay, like, sky-high rent, right? Sky-high, because
Yes.
New York is expensive.
Yeah.
It's
So-
sky-high, and I'm sorry, I cut you off once again. But, you know, it's like when I see the Venetian Plaster, it seems like you're in the movie. It looks like a dream, because it looks so nice, so neat, so perfect, that you don't see that around here, in terms of, like, you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
we need that kind of, work.
Yeah.
Even to increase the value of the property, am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It goes in high-end homes. It's not that cost effective. You know, it varies from state to state. You know, different states are different prices. And
New York is crazy.
New York and California are more expensive by square
expensive.
footage.
Yeah.
But we sell the buckets the same price from Florida to California to wherever. We sell the buckets the same price.
But you know what? Something about you guys, that's what I want to do. I want to get my feet wet.
Oh, we're gonna get your feet wet.
I want to do it right now. Let me see if I'm leaving something overseas. Overseas? Do you? I say yeah. I wrote that down. Do you guys work overseas? I mean, do you travel? Like, you know.
Like out of the
don't know.
country?
Out of the
No, what we
country
do is
with
we
this.
go to Europe once a year to the trade shows there to see what's new out there, to see if we could bring it to
keep
the United
updated.
States.
Do you
Yeah,
keep-
to see if it's good and we could bring it to the States to sell it. Because sometimes we go and there's nothing new out there.
Because
you know?
I heard that in one of your DVDs that in Japan the marble.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
marble
In Japan
stone
they
is
do
the
it.
one that
Yeah,
they do
that's
all
right.
of that.
That's
Incredible,
right.
right?
Yeah.
Robert, talk to me. You're a little quiet. Talk to me.
Okay, well, one thing to remember about our products here is that these are the same products you're seeing when you walk down the streets of Italy. A lot, if you go on vacation there, and even on the exteriors of their buildings. So those are the same products that we bring here to the United States.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
so people can learn how to do it themselves. We have, like Gian said, 4 DVDs. They can learn how to practice on their own homes. And they can also use the products, interior, exterior, wherever they want to use it.
Yeah, because
for
back in the
any
days,
surface.
people used to have to fly to Europe, Italy, and find a master and to have them get trained. And hopefully they get trained, because they don't really want to teach it at that time, back in the days.
But now
And then now it's opened up. And
Feel wet, man.
I also want to say one thing before we do that. I want to say that our product is a green product. This is what this represents. This
yes.
represents that we have our kids in our hands, us. Every grown-up have their kids on their hands. We're watching their future for them, basically. And our product is a green product that's safe for the environment, it's safe for your kids. Everybody wants everything green now. Green means it has to be authentic, it is made from natural stuff.
Good for the environment.
Yeah, this
We
product right here is green. Mold does not grow on it.
Okay.
And
I didn't know that.
and it's all authentic, basically. So it's a green product. That represents that it's okay for the kids. You could do Marmarino with a little baby in the room and they won't get sick unless you start sanding. But,
Of course, that's interesting. This is your baby, right?
This is my son, Desmond
Oh,
Pasagasti.
what's his name?
Desmond
Desmond?
Pasagasti.
Boy,
Yeah.
like a,
And here he was like 8 weeks old. Now he's a year.
he's a year
Yeah.
old.
He's gorgeous. He's a little model.
He's so beautiful. Look at
Thank you.
my stomach is goggling.
And this right here, these are my hands. Like at nighttime, I'm a hand model.
Look
See
at
that?
that. Not even my hands. Guys, check this out, Erica. You see my hands? Mike, I never, and check this out. This is for the record. I'm not joking. I never had a pedicure or manicure
What?
done.
No, you got nice hands.
I never. Okay, Gian, we got
Let's do it.
50 minutes to go. So let's see where we're at.
Okay.
Let me get this out of the way. You walk now. I'm gonna move to DVD.
Now, I brought you a coat.
Ah, yes.
I brought you a coat. This one is mine. I brought you a coat.
Okay.
This right here, this
Yes.
is a metallic finish that we carry. It's a Dune product. It's metallic paint.
Okay.
We have beautiful stuff.
Look
This
at
is
how
trowel down.
beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if we can get it. I don't know. Look at that. Thank you, Erica. Look at that. Look at the. Look at the colors.
Yeah,
Look at how
gorgeous
shiny.
stuff and very easy to do. That's the main
And it
thing.
dries quick.
It dries quick, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now, what I
let's
want to
do.
do now, I'm going to do a demonstration of how to do a second coat application to make a product do a high shine.
Okay.
This is the most popular product that we have here.
Okay.
It's called the Fine Marmerino, the classic style. I'm going to do he already has a first coat, the 3-coat process. So we're going to put a base coat on it. We're going to put a base coat, a normal base coat.
It looks like pastry, right, guys? It smells too. Let me see.
Very easy to do. You basically want to work from dry to wet. Try to do it as smooth as you can. The smoother it is, the shinier it will be. Always clean your trowel. Try to do everything in circular motions because in nature there's no straight lines.
There's no straight lines.
Exactly.
It's gonna be more like circles, I guess.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly,
Right, Robert?
exactly.
Like
So,
circles?
like many of your viewers may have been to Italy, and may have seen this product and wondered what it was, and they may notice ours looks a little different. One of the advantages we have from learning, as we have over the years, American clientele like things a little different than those in Europe. In Europe, you hire someone to do Venetian plaster, and they do it, and that's the job you get. Here, we like to hide our trowel lines, hide the method of application. So if you learn the way Gion's doing it, you'll get that.
But you see now, I'm looking at you, and I'm not concentrating with my teacher.
You missed it.
You
Well,
see?
Well, you have the DVD. You can.
No, but come on, I have to learn now. I want to get my feet wet, Gian. Give me
Okay.
that trowel, man.
So
I wanna
you
make it happen.
so you saw me how I did the
I
second
saw
coat
you,
application.
And then Robert distracted me. You see? I'm here to learn the trade.
Okay. Now you're gonna do another color. You're gonna do a pretty green color.
Okay. I love green.
Good. Good.
I feel.
Have
oh
it
my
more.
God.
Have it more in a 45-degree angle.
Oh, you're talking to me.
That'll be Chinese. Yeah.
Chinese, baby.
Like this. See the way I'm spreading it? Just like that. Try it. Get some more on your trowel.
Put the material on, and then
Let's cover up the whole white.
it up.
Let's do that.
Yeah. How much material? Not too much?
Not
Like
too
that?
much.
Just
That's
like
perfect.
that.
Just
Yeah.
perfect?
Yeah. First you want, because it's a small board, if it's a bigger wall,
Let me get wild.
let's do it. Get wild.
You see?
Now, you see how thick that is? You're going to
man.
get that and move it on. Exactly.
But you guys, I feel like I'm
Keep
driving.
going.
I feel
Keep
like
going.
I'm driving a truck.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, now if you notice,
But why I
you're going over the same spot too many times. Let's start going over the white.
It's too much.
You need more on your trowel. Oh, you always want your trowel with product.
Yeah, but it doesn't get dry so quick?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Like I'm asking you, look at me. You see, I'm asking
That's
you.
fine.
Are you sure? That's fine?
Yeah,
That's
let's start up here.
Okay.
You always want to start from the top.
Like here.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'm not going to break it.
You ain't going to break it.
Look how nice and smooth.
it's like butter.
I feel like I'm eating a donut.
Let's go. Come
Right,
on,
okay,
cover up.
okay.
It smells very earthy because
I like
it is a natural
I
product.
love the color too.
The only 3 ingredients in the product are